Rick in the arm. Yeah. Hit him to the face here. Grab his neck like this. Yeah. This hand hitting to the neck here. Boom, directly.
Wow.
Yeah. And then because I just, you know what I'm here, shove them down here and let them smell your smelly, shitty feet instead.
Hi everyone, it's Master Wong here. Today is another beautiful day today, and we're gonna go through some basic and helping you to over the Christmas have a beautiful time to practice. So this movement here, I will already go through some of the bit already. This is for the Wing Chun side. Okay, just so you to practice over Christmas. This is come out from the Siu Lim Tao 2022 training on him. So basically, the hand like this, keep it like this, okay, punch, 1, 2, 3, hand out like this, out here, drop your body down, press up, stand up, in good position, then kick, 1, then kick, 2, and then come back in hand position here. Keep your nice and easy, and keep an eye on everybody here to make sure they're not in line, and then start, hand, down, up and kick, and kick, Make sure you're breaking the leg so you got no more leg nap, you can't walk anymore. Very basic movement like this. You can practice through this over Christmas and into New Year time, so you can helping you to getting nice and ready. If you got problem with someone, grab here and then zap them, and then zap them. You got pop here, direct in their face up, and that's good. So this video here, just like to say to some of the students helping me out to make all this possible is Jim. One is a student with me for long time now. He do the training, learning all the bits and pieces with me. But also, he here to helping me to putting the studio together and all the things that I try to put in to helping you to start in the 2022. In the 2022 coming up, I will have a very nice place to doing live training and everything like that for you as well. Onto the training program, training course, and everything. Oh, only because it made possible, because it's Jim, that one is a student, Jim, that made this happen, and he spent so much time working hard at work. No, he's an electrician guy, and he do loads of work in the daytime already, and at night time he come over to my place and then building the whole place like what you see in here that make things possible. So this video here is I do a lot of video with him, so this is some review. I cut it in throughout Christmas for you to watch and stuff like that. And also on this, I will doing something interesting as well to go through with you is I'm giving away free training program on any kind of training program on our platform, masterwong.tv. Go there, and then what you want to do it's just write few lines, okay, onto the message I provide for you there, onto the platform. Tell me why do you deserve the free training program for 2022 to get started. Just give me a few lines. Don't write a long goddamn story about yourself. Let me feel like and why you deserve that, and why do you want me to give you the free training program. And then I will message you back in the same way onto the on the platform, and then I will give you the free training program to get you ready, exciting for 2022, and get ready to do all the things that you need to do, like moving around, bam, 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 whatever you want, you know, all nicely practice on Tai Chi, or all the things like that, whatever you like, okay? So that's what you need to go to our website, masterwong.tv, and then check it out, and then I will be there to answer your question over Christmas as well. Otherwise, here's the video that I put on funny stuff, okay, I do it with Jim. Check it out. I will see you on tomorrow. There's another beautiful thing happening. So I will see you tomorrow on here. Master Wong here. I see you tomorrow.
What?
Well, like this, like...
Like this? Like this?
Yeah, kind of.
Something like that?
Yeah, pretty much, but yeah. Well, how did you do that? You like... he pushed me around, but you didn't let me push you around.
What do you mean you push you around?
Well, you know, like, he's like, oh, what are you doing, man? You know, like
that kind of Why let people push you like that for?
I don't know, they've got a problem or something.
When you push coming in,
Yeah.
you should go boom, boom, quack like that straight away.
Yeah.
Then hit them straight away, quack, and then put them down here.
Yeah.
You know what down here?
Your
Don't shit it down here. I just step on it. Smell my goddamn food. Is it smell?
It stink.
Yes. And that's how you're dealing with them.
Oh, wow, that's awesome.
You don't teach it. They let people go and push you twice.
Right.
One is the problem.
Yeah.
Twice, you're stupid.
Right.
You understand that?
Fair enough.
So if you're coming in, you know they're coming in. See that now you try to put your hand up, you see?
Yeah.
So the best thing to do is you have to open like this. And this hand attacks him right away. Boom here. Break in the arm. Yeah? Hit him to the face here. Grab his neck like this. When you grab his neck like this, you pull him directly.
Wow.
Yeah? And then because I just, you know what happened to wear this shoe?
Yeah, yeah.
I just put my feet in some dog shit. So you go boom like this, you can smell that. Smell that. Is it good?
Stink, man.
Yeah. And that's how you're dealing with young people.
Oh, wow.
You understand that?
Yeah, that's a lot better than letting them push you.
Yeah, so let me show you how to do this. This is a problem sometimes. When you have somebody pushing you, you need to respond at once. Let me show you how to do this kind of movement here. So when the push comes on the side open, this hand punch straight to the solar plexus. This arm raking it, yeah? This hand hitting to the neck here. It's like you're binding this strike, boom to the neck here. Grab the head here, pull. Normally you pull direct to the knee, but because sometimes you knee them in the face, they look so ugly. Their wife might divorce their ass, and then might up to you. You might don't like their wife, you know. That can be a nightmare. So you bring them down here, shove them down here, and let them smell your smelly, shitty feet instead. You got that?
Well, yeah. That's pretty awesome.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Let me show. Then I go slowly with you. So I go slowly with you. So you go like this. You break.
Yeah.
You punch one, boom here,
Uh-huh.
and then break the arm. Break the arm like this. Yeah. And then next, this hand coming over here, and then attack to the neck. Oh, like that, and then pull. Boom down here. Yeah. But sometimes when you pull down, you too, see the hand there pull.
Yeah.
This is the problem.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, and then they will take you down the floor like this. Yeah, and then they put it down here, and then smack in the face, yeah? And that's not a problem.
Wow.
So the problem is when you do the movement, when you bring them down,
Right.
you have to be, where the fuck are you going, man? Look like they're gonna go visit Jesus Christ or something. What happened to them? Now they're youngster, they drive so fucking fast. I don't know why they drive that fast for. Okay, then, so that's the big problem. So let me show you again. Hand, you hit first, your arm break, yeah?
Right.
And then, see, another people down there for the security, thinking I'm beating him up here, yeah, and then hit. See my hand grab you here, bing him. See your hand here? Do you see your hand?
Yeah.
It drop here, so you can't grab hold me, see?
Right.
So from there, your hand hold, shove him here, smell my food. Is it sting?
Yeah, it's pretty bad.
Then you bring him up, finger from here, up like this, tie and keep them away. So your hand is still here. Another thing, so if you got a fan, you go like this. Now piss off of that, and then slam to the wall.
Oh, wow.
You understand that?
Yeah.
It's a lot of movement to do there.
Yeah, yeah.
But the most important thing to understand, when somebody push you like this, yeah, you got to create a distance.
Right.
Okay? And then when he came, you don't stand like this.
Right.
Because you might fall down and your head hit on the floor and your neck is broken.
Yeah.
And you know what happened when your neck broken?
I don't know. Let me think. No more sucking dick.
This is the problem. Sometimes some of you out there laughing, sucking too much, and when you fall down, no more sucking for you. So, movement coming in, you have to break it, and then this hand control the elbow, hitting it and breaking the arm at the same time. The arm is broken, difficult, and smack on the hole here, knee on the face, but you don't want to knee on the face. So you grab, slam down the ground here, okay?